Hey team, I'm gonna show us the bird dog ISO. So, shoulders over wrists, as always. What I want us to do first is kick your leg back. As I lift up, I have my toes pulled towards me and I'm squeezing my glute. My second arm is gonna trace the floor and reach up. In this position, hip bones are facing down. That butt cheek is locked solid. This arm is pushing down and I'm reaching my heels and my toes in opposite directions. How do I look, coach?
Great.
20 seconds on the right, 20 seconds on the left, or whatever that timer actually says. Being mindful, a common error in bird dog is that we kick up into the low back area. Only kick as high as that butt cheek goes, keeping the hips facing the floor. Happy training.